Number 4 song in our Ultimate Blues collection is something that I've been playing lately. I've been doing it in a little bit of a stripped-down method, but it's a Jimi Hendrix song called Up From the Skies. Now, as we all know by now, Hendrix is a killer blues player, so let's listen to a little bit of what he does. Kind of a cool, it's got a little jump blues to it in a way. Now he did it with a wah-wah. I'm just going to do it real straight, but because for our purposes, I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimidillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. So I'm just working on basically an A7th and an E7th. So 1-5 change. I just wanna talk to you, baby. I won't do you no harm. And so on. And then eventually it modulates up to the B chord, and it does a B, a 1-5 on the B, to an F sharp. The room behind your mind. Or am I going blind? Is this true? Back to the A. Please let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. And then he does the thing where it goes, I have been here before, days of old, and of course this is why I'm so concerned. Just back and forth from the B to the A. And then eventually he gets to a part where he goes to B, and then he goes to D. Back to the pattern. So you may have noticed when I'm going up to the B, sometimes I'm hitting that open E against, kind of works. It even works on the, so I'm also almost adding a bass part by playing it fingerstyle, as you notice I'm doing. You can still do it with a pick too. If you prefer to use a pick, that's fine. I personally like doing it. I like the flavor of. So I'm going to encourage you, whenever possible, to use your fingerstyle or to do a hybrid. Some of you prefer doing that. If you like to have a pick in your hand, you can still use your fingerstyle as well. Incorporate your fingers. So on this one, the way I do it is. You hear that? And I hit a oh, and I even do it on the D. So it's a subtle thing. I don't make it too obvious, but. And lastly, I want to say about that song, sometimes you can put little licks in there. What I do is I think of it almost like playing in an E minor form. That's just the way my mind works. Because even though you're in A, you're landing on the E. So if you want to lick, you can do some licks in between. Kind of a Ricky Lee Jones jazzy kind of. So that's Up From the Skies, number 4.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimidillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Roll! awesome, and rock and roll.